Let me tell you about my own transition to the new economy as a serial entrepreneur and infopreneur. Personally, I went from being a media marketing agency for small businesses and entrepreneurs to the founder of the New Economy Chamber of Commerce because our clients needed more understanding of analog thinking versus digital networking and connections in this new digital economy. Today it's growing so fast that we are now warning that this new economy can either warm and ignite your business or consume it if you fail to recognize and understand it. The new money cash flow economy fire was started by connection platforms such as Amazon, Alibaba, Uber, Airbnb, WeWork, Upwork, Fiverr, Facebook, LinkedIn, Meetup, and more. Today, by the media, it's being called the new economy or the platform economy or the gig economy because these new connector platforms create new clients, freelance work, jobs, and gigs. This is something big that will affect all of us and all of our businesses and how we present ourselves from now on. It's growing fast. Our Meetup Organization has over 80,000 members in the San Francisco Bay Area alone, and it's growing. I'll tell you more about that soon. Plus, I also want to tell you more about our new money radio programming, which features small businesses and entrepreneurs' presentations. And it's heard on over 100 broadcast AM/FM stations across the country and literally around the world because we're also on Armed Forces Radio. You're in the right place, so stay tuned.